Introducing ReCAD, a free browser-based CAD program anyone can use from Full Spectrum Laser. What makes ReCAD different is it supports full parametric CAD constraints, as shown in this video. Start by going to re5.fslaser.com and select CAD from the View menu. Let's draw a box. We can click a line and input the dimension. We can even do math like 90 plus 5 or 90 plus 5 times 2. Notice how the number evaluates our equation. We can delete this distance constraint from the left menu. Let's draw a circle, and notice we can click on the circle and change its radius. Let's use the trim tool to quickly trim away sections we don't want. Let's add another circle, and for this one we will add a horizontal distance and vertical distance constraint of 25 to keep it away from the edge. Now if we move the other edges around the constraints, keep the circle where it should be. Let's draw a circle and a line. Next, we click the line and click Construction to make it a for construction-only object. Construction objects are useful to set constraints, but are not shown in the final output. Next, we select the object and the line and click Mirror, and the object is mirrored across the line. Now changes to one side like radius or distance to the mirror line are mirrored on the other object. Again, notice how smooth and fast the constraints are calculated and applied. Let's draw a box around the two circles and see how easy it is to go from drawing to laser cutting this design. All we do is click Apply from the toolbar, and our drawing is sent to the Laser 2D layout. If we want to go back to CAD layout, we just double-click the drawing. This way we can quickly iterate between CAD-based constraints and laser. We can draw two more circles and apply an equal constraint, and any changes we make to one circle is reflected in the other. We can click Apply and return to the laser menu or file export to a SVG or DXF file. We hope you find this powerful but easy to use tool useful in making your laser work easier.